I'm going to make you a lovely Southeast Asian dessert, and the best thing about this is you only need 3 ingredients. Now I'm going to be using Sago dessert. This is such a popular dessert, not only in Southeast Asia but in Australia. And if you had to cook Sago pearls from scratch, you'd have to boil them, chill them down. There's a little bit of a process, but you can actually get them store-bought now. These are fantastic because it's been lightly sweetened and it's also got a lovely pandan flavour. And have a look at the pearls. They're super versatile and it's the texture, so it's really, really bouncy. You can use them in a savoury context, but they're really good in a sweet dessert just like this. Okay, we're going to start with our watermelon. So we need about a cup and a half of watermelon. I'm going to place 3/4 of this chopped watermelon into a blender. And to give it that creamy flavour, I've got some coconut milk. So in with our coconut milk, and that's it. You don't need to add any more sugar because the Sago dessert has been sweetened and my watermelon is particularly sweet today. So we're going to give this a blend until it's really smooth. All right, that's looking good. That in itself is so yummy, the combination of coconut and watermelon. Now we need to combine our coconut and watermelon mixture along with our Sago pearls. So into a jug, and we'll just gently fold in our pearls. So we'll place that in there. And I'll give that a stir just to separate all those gorgeous little pearls. Okay, to plate up, I'm actually using these dessert glasses. You could use whatever you like for presentation. And I've got some reserved watermelon. So we're going to add a few cubes of the watermelon on the base. All right, now for our Sago pearl dessert, we're just going to use a ladle to carefully pour this in, fill it up. A little more, and just make sure you get an even amount of the coconut and watermelon mixture along with those Sago pearls. And if you have some more watermelon, you could add that to the top, or I happen to have some gorgeous fresh raspberries, so I'll place them on top. Let's add 3. You could add a different variety of fruit too. You could do a bit of a fruit salad, tropical fruit salad vibe. And to garnish, some mint. I like the contrasting colours. So a sprig of mint on each. That is a gorgeous Southeast Asian dessert, really refreshing in summer. This is what I've been having. It's so good. There you go, try it. Super easy too.